this look will be changed into something else. If you want to see what's going on, keep watching. But before you go, don't go yet. I want to encourage you for this day. Today's I am came from the comments, and it reads, I am created in God's image, and therefore I possess inherent value and dignity. When I tell you that make me dance inside, I am dancing inside. Let me say it one more time before you leave, just in case this is all you want to watch in this video. Let me say it again. I am created in God's image, and therefore I possess inherent value and dignity. I would like to encourage you to stay and watch the complete video, but if not, I appreciate you for stopping by for this brief moment, and I hope and pray that this I am encouraging word meets you and greets you and leave you in a better mood than it found you. I am about to change this eye look to just create something nice. Nicer than just plain eye look. Let's get started. I'm excited. Are you excited about this day? Are you excited about today's I am? I am going to go back into the black just a tad bit so I can put it in the crease, because my hooded eyes does rest on it with the excess flab and skin, so it does take it away. If you look at this one, you will see how light it is, and now that I added it, you see how dark it is. So that happens with hooded eyes. If I'm out and about, I don't worry about it, but I'm here and creating and making a change with the look, so I want to just reapply the black. And another thing I'm going to do, I'm taking my Milani. It is all shades of brown in there. They still have that palette. I think the last time I was in the store, I saw it. And I'm going to go into the one before the last darkest shade, because this one is a cool tone and this one is a warm tone. So I'm going into the cool tone, and I'm going to put it on the edge of this black. I want the eyeshadow to be a little higher, but I don't want to bring the black too high. So I'm adding a dark brown to it, and it is a cool tone brown. I did not want to add the warm tone brown. See the difference? What you do to one eye, you want to do to the other. And I'm not going all the way to the brow bone. I don't want to go all the way to the brow bone. If that happens, I will just accept it, but that's not the intention. The intention is just to bring it up a little higher so you can see the next color I'm going to apply, how it will stay on the lids. Now that I've added the brown, I am going into this palette, which is a magnetic pan. I'm going to go into this orange right here. It's a multi-chrome orange, and this orange right here. So there are two orange. This orange looks lighter. This orange looks darker. So I'm going to use both. This is the first orange. I'm going to put it right here. Oh, I need glitter glue. Now I have glitter glue on. Let's go again. The first orange I'm using is from Nomad Cosmetics. It's a single. So we start now because I have glitter glue on now. It will work. It works without glitter glue. I just want a big impact when I put these shimmers because these shimmers are pretty. I tap it in first and then I'll spread it. I already have mostly all my makeup on already from the first look. So if you see the first look, you know my full face is on already. These are so pretty. Can you see it? Is it coming through? Right in the crease and on the lids. Okay, I need more pop. I need more pop. So I'm gonna wipe my fingers and add more. I haven't used these singles in a while. I used to use my singles a lot. I have not used them in a while. Okay, I think this is good for now. This is so pretty. In person, it's pretty. The second shimmer I have is by Shine by SD, and the color is called Golden Hour Series 1. The Nomad Cosmetic color one is Comedy. It's from the Victoria Amore Mott palette. I don't know if any of these are still available. This came from a friend mail. The SD one is poppin'. I always liked it. I like the Nomad one, but the SD one is my type of shimmer, girl. Yes. And I'm putting it on top of glitter glue. I'm just pressing it in. I have not smeared it yet. I will smear it after I am done laying it down. But I'm just changing this look. So now I go like this to join them together, even though there is not much of a difference. One is just brighter than the other. But boy, do I love the bright one. The bright one is like, hello, I am here. I love it. Yep, see me. This is gorgeous. This is so gorgeous. Lip combo. Gwen Stefani. Lancome. It's a red with an orange base. The Gwen Stefani is a red with a slight orange base also. And then Color Fix by Danessa Myricks, and a black pencil and a little gloss. These things created my lip combo. I wanted to get close to the orange without going over, but not too bright and not too dark. This is how I changed the single black color eyeshadow that was on my lids to something else. Take a look. You can do that, and you can do more than that. This is it. I appreciate you watching always. Please remember to share this video, hype this video, and comment on this video. If you have an eyeshadow suggestion, please let me know in the comments. Until I see you and you see me, know that you were created by God. Menopause. Anytime you see me looking all shiny, it's menopause. It's not makeup spray. It is menopause. It is not as bad as it used to be, but I still get hot flashes. If that was all it was from when it started 11 years ago, that would have been okay. But I'm embracing every level of menopause. If you have menopause, find help. Make sure you talk to your doctor because menopause can make you crazy. So just seek help, and I will see you shortly. Bye.